Another video on my YouTube channel, Swaib Sumro. Guys, today the topic of our video is very important and very informative and delicious. Means very informative and entertainment. The topic of my video is how to get water out of your iPhone speaker. Change the topic. The topic of my video is 3D printer filament guide. Everything you need to know. 3D printer filament guide, everything you need to know. We break down the pros and cons of the various types of 3D printer material from PG to PT to TPU to help you figure out which filament is best for your prints. After you pick a 3D, the first decision you shall have to make it what type of filament you want to use. Look deep enough, you shall see several dozen varieties. Even setting aside the numerous colors they come in, wedding trough, them surface a string of chemical sounding names: polylactic acid, polyvinyl acid, carbon fiber, or a tungsten and thermoplastic elastomers. For example, they go by designing varieties of the eight acronyms AB, ABS, PLA, HIPS, HIPS, CPE, PET PET, PETG, PETT, TPE, PVA, PCTPE, or just some of them. But don't be dismayed by the alphabets out. Only a few types are in everyday use. Also, manufacturers tend to avoid these overall geeky monikers in favor of more descriptive names alluding to the essential quality of the filament, such as flexibility and strength. What is filament? Filament used in 3D printer are thermoplastic thermoplastic that melt rather than burn when heated, can be shaped and molded and solidify when cooled. The filament is filled into a heater chamber in the printer extruded assembled when it is heated the melting point and then extruded through a nozzle as a extruder assemble moves, stressing a path program into a 3D object file to create laser by laser the print object. Also, most 3D printers have a single extruder. Some dual extruder models can print an object in different color or with different filament types. The process of printing with the plastic filament is called ether fused filament fabrications or fused deposition molding. There are same thing 3D printing pioneer strategies crop trademarking the FDM acronym, so other manufacturers created their own names describe their printing technology. FFF is the one of the caught on as of today, except is more some manufacturers brochures. You shall see the name used in the interchangeable. Filament is the sole is pulled by the weight ranging from 0.5 kilogram to 2 kilogram. The filament comes into thickness 1.75 millimeters, 3 millimeters. The wave majority of filament is the 1.75 millimeter type. The Ultimaker and the Lutzbot are among our few manufacturers whose printer use the trigger size, weight, and diameter almost always listed in metric unit. So guys, this is my video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. So we'll meet in next video. Bye bye, take care.